In this figure, this triangle AOB, we are considering another triangle AZX. In this triangle AZX, that is AZ square must be equal to AX square plus ZX square. That is AZ square must be equal to AX square plus ZX square. Therefore, AX, we had, what is the distance AX? If this is equilateral triangle, then AX must be equal to 2/3 of this distance AY. That is, here we have taken AX equal to 2/3 of AY. AY just we have calculated AY equal to A root 3 by 2. Just put this value in this equation, therefore we get 2/3 and AY equal to A root 3 by 2. If we calculate this, we get A upon root 3. Let us consider this is equation number 3. Okay, now use this value equation 3 in equation number 2. Then what is the equation number 2 then? AZ square equal to AX square. What is AX square? AX square, that is A upon root 3 whole square plus C by 2. C by 2. What is plus ZX square? What is ZX square? Here ZX. This is the ZX, and we know that in the figure this is the point Z, and this is the equilateral triangle. Therefore ZX, these three atoms, this three atomic plane is lies at the middle of this distance C. Therefore this must be at a distance of C by 2. Therefore the ZX must be equal to C by 2. Therefore here the ZX, that is this distance ZX, must be equal to C by 2. Therefore we have taken the value of ZX equal to C by 2, the whole square. Therefore calculate this. Therefore what we get? A square equal to, what is AZ? AZ equal to, here AZ is equal to lattice parameter A. Lattice parameter A. Therefore AZ square equal to A square equal to A square upon 3 plus C square upon 4 plus C square upon 4. Therefore if you calculate for C square upon 4, जर आपण C square upon 4 साठी जर याला कॅल्क्युलेट केलं तर हे इकडे जाणार, म्हणजेच काय होऊन जाणार? A square minus A square by 3. That is equal to, simplify this, thrice A square minus A square by 3. That is equal to twice A square by 3. That is, we get here 2/3 A square. Okay, that is equal to 2/3 A square. Now this is equal to C square by 4. Take this 4 in this side and take this A square in left side. Therefore we get C square upon A square equal to 8/3. 8/3. C square upon 4, C square upon A square equal to 8/3. That is C by A equal to 8/3 raised to the power half. That is under root of A by 3. This is the C by A ratio. This is the C by A ratio. We have calculated this C by A ratio because we have to find out the packing factor of this SCP structure, unit cell of FCC structure. Therefore now we have to just calculate. Now in this triangle we have to calculate volume of this unit cell. We have to calculate the volume of this unit cell. What is the volume of the unit cell? Because we know that for the calculation of packing factor for this unit cell, we need the volume of the atom inside this unit cell and the volume of this unit cell. Now to calculate the volume of the unit cell, let us now calculate the volume of this unit cell. Volume of the unit cell, that is volume of the unit cell. Now for this volume of the unit cell, in this diagram we have the diagram for SCP unit cell. Now this is the triangle, this is triangle, this is another triangle, this is another triangle. These atoms are placed at equal distance. Therefore the area of this triangle must be equal to area of this triangle. All these triangles should have the same area. All these triangles should have the same area. Therefore this is the base of this unit cell. This is the base of this unit cell. Now to find out the base, to calculate the volume of this unit cell, we have to find out the area of this base. And if we calculate this area of the base, we have to just multiply this area of the base with the height. Height is C. That will be the volume of this unit cell. Now to calculate the area of the base, we have to just calculate the area of this triangle. If we calculate this area of the triangle, we can just multiply 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 triangles, therefore just multiply by 6, we get the area of this base. Now to find out the area of the base, you have to just find out the area of one triangle. Therefore the area of base the area of this base will be equal to must be equal to 6 times area of triangle AOB. Area of triangle AOB, this is this triangle AOB. That is this triangle, because we have considered this triangle, and this triangle is equal to, in this unit cell, this triangle is equal to, the area of this triangle is equal to this triangle. Therefore we have to find out just the area of this triangle AOB. Now to find out the area of this triangle, just consider this triangle AOB. Then what is the area of this triangle? That is area of, therefore area of triangle AOB equal. Now to find out the area of this triangle, triangleचा area किती असतो बघा, किती असतो, this triangle AOB, that is half of base into height. That is, what is the base? That is OB, that is BO, into height, that is AY, that is AY, that is base into height, that is the area of this triangle. Now we have half of BO. What is BO? That is BO, this is the lattice parameter, because all the atoms are situated at the equal distance, which are situated at equal distance. Therefore it will be BO equal to A into AY. AY just we have calculated here, AY, that is AY equal to A root 3 by 2, we have just calculated, that is AY equal to A root 3 by 2. This is area of the triangle AOB. And what is the area of the base? 6 times area of triangle AOB. Therefore we have to just multiply. Therefore area of base equal to 6 times half into A, that is A square root 3 by. Okay, now just calculate this. If we calculate this, we get 3 by 2 into root 3 A square. 3 by 2 into root 3 A square. दोनचा भाग गेला 3. 3 by 2 A square root 3. 3 by 2 A square root 3. Okay. Now this is the area of the base. Now we have to find out the volume of the unit cell. Therefore volume of unit cell will be volume of unit cell, that is त्याला आपण represent करू capital V ने. Volume of the unit cell will be equal to area of base into area of base into height. Area of base into height. What is the area of base? We have just calculated here, that is 3 by 2 under root of A square into height. What is the height? In this figure, what is, we have taken height, that is equal to C. Therefore height will be equal to C. Therefore we get here, if we calculate this, we get here 3 by 2 3 root 3 by 2 A square C. Okay, 3 root 3 A square C by 2. Okay, this is the area of the unit cell. This is the area of the unit cell. Now we have to just find out the area of the atoms inside the unit cell, volume of the atoms in unit cell. त्याला आपण कशाने रिप्रेझेंट करतो? स्मॉल v ने. Okay, small v. What is the volume of the atom? That is 4 by 3 pi r cube, where r is the radius of that atom. And how many atoms inside this unit cell? How many atoms inside this unit cell? Those numbers are 6. That is total number of atoms inside this unit cell, that is 6. Therefore we have to just multiply this equation by 6. Therefore we get here 6 into 4, that is 24 by 3 pi r cube. 24 by 3 pi r cube. This is the volume of the atoms inside this unit cell. Now we have both the volume of the atoms inside this unit cell and volume of the unit cell. Therefore we can now directly find out the packing factor for this unit cell. Therefore packing factor or atomic packing factor. The packing factor or atomic packing factor equal to small v upon capital V. It is the ratio of volume occupied by atoms inside this unit cell upon total volume of unit cell. This is the packing factor. Therefore, packing factor will be equal to आताच आपण काढलंय small v equal to 24/3 pi r cube. Therefore, small v equal to 24/3 pi r cube upon capital V. What is the capital V? That is the volume of the unit cell, that is equal to 3√3 a square by c by 2. Just put this value in this equation, that is 3√3 a square c by 2. And if we calculate this, if we suppose calculate this, then we directly get here twice pi upon 3√3 into a by c twice pi r cube. Okay, r cube a by c. Now in this equation we have just find out a by c, but in this equation there is no a. Okay, just recalculate this. We have twice 24/3 pi r cube, where r is the radius of the atom. Now in the SCP unit cell, the corner atoms touches along the edges. This is the lattice parameter a. R is the radius of the atom. These atoms touches along the edges. Therefore, the a must be equal to twice r. Therefore, twice r represents the nearest neighbor distance. What is twice r represents? Twice r represents the nearest neighbor distance, that is equal to a, lattice parameter. Therefore, here a equal to twice r. Therefore, r equal to a by 2. From this equation, we can directly write r equal to a by 2. Now use this equation r equal to a by 2 in this equation. Therefore, what we get? 24/3 pi r cube. What is r? A by 2. Therefore, a by 2 whole cube upon 3√3 a square c upon 2. Okay, now calculate this, simplify this. 24/3 pi a cube upon Ronsa cube, that is 8, upon 3√3 a square c by 2. Now it becomes 8 3 24. This 3 gets cancelled. Therefore, upside this is a square आणि याच्यातला स्क्वेअर कॅन्सल, म्हणजे या ठिकाणी वर आला पाय a आणि हा 2 वरती जाणार, म्हणजे आपल्याला काय मिळते? डायरेक्टली मिळते आपल्याला ट्वाइस पाय आणि खाली मिळणार आपल्याला 3√3 ट्वाइस पाय 3√t आणि हे राहणार इथं a आणि c, दॅट इज a by c. नाउ दिस इज द पॅकिंग फॅक्टर, ट्वाइस पाय upon 3√3 a by c. Okay, now we have calculated the c by a ratio. This is the c by a ratio. Okay, this is the c by a ratio. We have calculated the c by a ratio, and this c by a ratio, the value of this c by a ratio we have found. We got c by a equal to 8/3 raised to power half, and in this equation we have a by c. This is c by a, that is 8/3 raised to power half. Here we have the value a by c. याच्या उलटी. Now use this equation. In this equation, what we get? Therefore, twice pi upon 3√3 a by c, that is 8/3, म्हणजे 3/8 raised to the power half. And if we simplify this equation, we get twice pi, that is pi by 3√2. We take the under root of 3, that is √3. √3 gets cancelled here. If we take the under root of 8, that is 2√2. 2√2 मधला 2 कॅन्सल होऊन जाणार, फक्त राहणार √2, म्हणजे खाली असणार 3 into √2 आणि वर असणार पाय. Okay, if we simplify this, we get pi upon 3√2. And again, if we simplify this, we get 0.74, that is equal to 74%. That is equal to 74%. This represents the packing factor for SCP structure, packing factor for SCP structure unit cell. Now the example for this are magnesium, zinc, cadmium. These are crystallizes in this structure. These are crystallizes in HCP structure. These are crystallizes in SCP structure. That is, this packing factor is same as in case of FCC structure. जे आपण FCC स्ट्रक्चर मध्ये बघितलं होतं पॅकिंग फॅक्टर, सेम तेवढंच पॅकिंग फॅक्टर आपल्याला काय मिळतं या ठिकाणी 74. Therefore that is why FCC and SCP, that is FCC and HCP are called closest packing structure. Are called closest packing structure. Okay, now this is all about the hexagonal close pack structure. Okay friends.